I'm Jared Deenda. This is Snap-on Tools Tech Series Nitro Edition. Now, crews, you're only on the track for ideally less than 4 seconds, but sometimes a little bit longer, 4.5 seconds. Now we're talking fuel. That's a big tank.
So we have about a 16.5 gallon fuel tank here. I have to stage the car and get ready to hit the throttle about the same time every single time. It's usually about 1:50, and it's down at that point 6 or 7 gallons, and it burns about 12 gallons total. This is a heavy fuel, about 10 pounds per gallon, this nitromethane. So we use it as a ballast, actually. It's in front of the center line of the tires. So if it's right, you'll see the front end come up just a little bit. So imagine if you burn too much fuel, that front end's gonna be light, the car's gonna want a wheel stand.
So you got the nitro tank and you have the oil tank here as well.
Yeah, this is a dry sump system. So we have about a 4.5 gallon oil tank sitting right next to the fuel tank.
All right, so that's a lot of fuel. How do you get it to the engine in just 4 seconds?
Well, back here there's a 110 gallon per minute fuel pump that pumps the fuel right out of the tank, right into the engine. And we bypass some of the fuel going down the track, but believe it or not, it takes that size of fuel pump to feed this monster of an engine at 10,000 horsepower.
All right, there's a lot of fuel pressure. Is there anything specific or proprietary as far as these lines? I mean, these are high-end lines.
This thing has like in excess of 700 pounds of fuel pressure going down the track. So every line is crimped. Earl sends us the parts, and the guys here at the shop actually measure the lines and get the right length, and they crimp them. We have a crimper machine here, and we put them on ourselves just to ensure the quality control. So we make sure that what goes on this Snap-on car is the right fit, and it actually will withstand the pressure.